The deadlift is a king among exercises. It builds full body strength and power. This compound exercise works multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This includes your back, legs, core, and even your grip. Mastering the deadlift can lead to significant improvements in your overall fitness. It can boost your metabolism and help you gain muscle mass. Whether you're an athlete or just starting your fitness journey, the deadlift is a valuable addition to your workout routine. However, like any exercise, the deadlift requires proper form and technique. Performing it incorrectly can lead to injuries. This guide will provide a detailed breakdown of the deadlift. It will help you perform it safely and effectively. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results from your workouts. By incorporating deadlifts into your routine and practicing proper form, you'll be well on your way to unlocking your strength potential and achieving your fitness goals. Many people struggle with proper deadlift technique. This can lead to ineffective workouts and even injuries. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Rounded back. A rounded back puts excessive stress on your spine. It's crucial to maintain a neutral spine throughout the lift. Incorrect hip position. Starting with your hips too high or too low can compromise your form and reduce power. Find the sweet spot where your back is flat and your shins are close to the bar. Lifting with your back. The deadlift is primarily a leg and hip exercise. Avoid initiating the lift by pulling with your back. Focus on driving through your heels and using your leg muscles to lift the weight. Before you even think about lifting, nailing the setup is crucial. Here's how to get into the correct stance and grip stance. Position your feet hip width or shoulder width apart, with the barbell over your midfoot. Your toes should point slightly outward. Ensure your shins are close to or lightly touching the bar. Grip. For beginners, a shoulder-width overhand grip is recommended. As you progress to heavier weights, you can experiment with a mixed grip, one hand overhand, one hand underhand. However, remember to alternate the underhand grip to prevent muscle imbalances. Your grip should be firm and secure. This setup creates a stable base for the lift and ensures that you're engaging the correct muscles. Remember, proper form is about efficiency and safety. Section 4. Executing the deadlift. A step-by-step guide. Now that you've mastered the setup, let's break down the deadlift into manageable steps. First, hinge at the hips. Initiate the movement by pushing your hips back while maintaining a neutral spine. Imagine closing a car door with your glutes. Next, leg drive. As you start lifting the bar, drive through your heels and engage your legs to push the ground away from you. The bar should travel close to your shins and thighs. Then, back engagement. Throughout the lift, keep your back straight and engaged. Avoid rounding your back, as this can lead to injury. After that, lock out. Once you've lifted the weight, stand tall with your shoulders back and your hips fully extended. Avoid overextending your back at the top of the lift. Finally, controlled descent. To lower the bar, reverse the movement, ensuring a flat back and maintaining control throughout the descent. Section 5. Mastering the deadlift tips for success. Here are some extra tips to help you perfect your deadlift. First, warm up. Always warm up your body before deadlifting with dynamic stretches and lighter weight repetitions. Next, focus on form. Prioritize proper form over lifting heavy weights. Start light and gradually increase the load as your form improves. Also, use a mirror. Utilize a mirror to check your form during the lift and identify any errors. And, listen to your body. Pay attention to your body and stop if you feel any pain. Additionally, practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to mastering the deadlift. Aim to deadlift at least once or twice a week. Finally, seek professional guidance. If you're unsure about your form or have any questions, consult a qualified fitness professional. The deadlift is a challenging but rewarding exercise. By focusing on proper technique, practicing consistently, and listening to your body, you'll be able to reap the numerous benefits of this powerhouse exercise. Remember, it's not about how much weight you can lift, but how well you can lift it. So, keep practicing, stay consistent, and watch your strength soar.